If I tell you the most important money of your life could be just $1,000, most people look at $1,000 and think, what can this even do? And that exact thought is what keeps them broke. Because poor people see money as something to spend, but wealthy people see money as a seed that can one day become $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000. And the truth is, most people never give that seed enough time. They spend it too early. They chase comfort. They chase quick happiness. And slowly, they destroy their own future. Today I'll show you how you can realistically turn just $1,000 into $100,000. Not with luck, not with hype, not with shortcuts, but with a system that works quietly but powerfully. Now imagine two people, Jack and Ryan. Same age, same opportunities, same $1,000. No rich background, no advantage, no special talent. Just one difference: how they think. Jack thinks, I worked hard. I deserve this. A new phone, better clothes, good food, small upgrades. It feels good. It feels normal. It feels like reward. But reward without control becomes destruction. Within a few weeks, the $1,000 is gone. Nothing left to grow, nothing left to multiply, nothing left to build. Ryan thinks differently. This is my first soldier. He doesn't rush, he doesn't waste, he doesn't chase feelings. He thinks long term. Because he understands something powerful. Small money is not for comfort. Small money is for building. He protects it, he respects it, he gives it direction. And that one decision changes everything. Because wealth doesn't start big, it starts small. Your first $1,000 is not just money, it's identity. It proves you can control your impulses. It proves you can delay gratification. It proves you are different from most people. It gives you a base, a foundation, a starting point. And most importantly, it changes your thinking. You stop asking, what can I buy? You start asking, what can I build? That one question is the beginning of wealth. Now understand the real engine, compounding. Compounding means your money works for you. Your money makes money, and that money makes more money. And it keeps going, again and again and again. At first, it feels slow. Nothing exciting, nothing impressive, just small numbers. And that's why people quit, because they don't see results. They think it's not working. But the truth is, it is working, just quietly. Compounding is silent in the beginning and loud in the end. Imagine Ryan starts with $1,000, then invests $300 every month after month, year after year. At first, it feels pointless. The growth is small. But something is happening. The base is growing. After 3 years, it becomes visible. After 5 years, it becomes meaningful. After 10 years, it becomes powerful. And after 15 years, the money is working harder than Ryan. That's the shift. That's when effort turns into momentum. That's when discipline turns into freedom. That's why time is the most powerful force in wealth building. Because time multiplies everything. Now the question is, how do you actually reach $100,000? Simple. Starting money plus monthly investing plus time plus compounding. That's it. No magic, no shortcut, just consistency. Start with $1,000. Invest $300 to $500 every month and keep going, even when it feels slow, even when it feels boring, even when it feels useless. Because it's not useless, it's building. At first slow, then steady, then explosive. Because bigger money grows faster. That's the unfair advantage. Now here's what separates winners. They don't just invest, they increase their income. Because investing more accelerates everything. Ryan doesn't stay stuck. He learns, he adapts, he improves. He finds ways to earn more. Freelancing, online work, skills, small services. Nothing flashy, just effective. Let's say he earns an extra $400 per month and invests it. Now the system becomes faster. Now growth becomes stronger. Now time works harder. Income is fuel. Investing is the engine. Compounding is the multiplier. And together, they create wealth. After 5 years, Jack has temporary happiness, old expenses, and nothing growing. Ryan has assets, confidence, discipline, and options. And options are real wealth. The option to rest, the option to choose, the option to walk away. Jack bought comfort. Ryan built freedom. And every year, the gap grows bigger. Now here's the roadmap. Save your first $1,000. Protect it. Respect it. Build an emergency fund so life doesn't destroy your progress. Invest consistently, every month. No excuses. Build extra income. Increase your investments. Stay disciplined. Stay patient. Give it time. 7 to 10 years. And your life can change. This is the real path. Not exciting, not fast, but powerful. So the real question is not, can $1,000 become $100,000? The real question is, what will you do with your first $1,000? Will you spend it, or will you plant it? Because one choice gives you a moment. The other choice gives you a future. Most people choose comfort. Few people choose growth. And that's why most people stay stuck. If this changed how you think, subscribe to Cashnix. Because here, we make money simple. No confusion, no fake promises, just real knowledge. And remember, your first $1,000 is not small. It's powerful. It's the beginning. And the earlier you start, the bigger it grows. Because in the world of money, time doesn't just pass. Time multiplies.